Ladies and gentlemen, you better get ready for this one. It's hilarious, it's cerebral, very spontaneous and intelligent. Ladies and gentlemen, Benin City, give it up for the Prophetic!
I was thinking so you could see. Oh yeah, now only not a bit. The Buddha I see. They say no weapon for me. They know only weapon they will.
Una con clap. Yeah. Jokes on board. But no board. Oswald, you don't get time. You do, may they say you intelligent. Yeah, I go by the name of the Prophetic. They call me the comic Gagatwan, the spontaneity juggernaut, the homo connoisseur, the oratory Brobdinagian, the creative sesquipedalian, the sui generis Lollapalooza, and the illogo fossil hip hop conorious fasol. I make intelligent people laugh for a living. So if I do my joke, you not laugh, it means one thing: you are very dull. So if I your crack joke, you laugh, me your neighbor not to say you dull. Yeah. Life na sense. No go they make mouth for something when not be only you go fit decide though. Yes, you they date girl, you they use the girl, they brag. Say my girl can never cheat on me. You know say, as a man, you feel know your worth. May your girlfriend be general market. No, who don't understand the joke? Tomorrow morning you'll get them. That is slow learners. You dey date girl when they school for Uniben. The girl not they read, but she they pass. You know say once girl start to the block course, she don't they collect block course. If you not get sense, I not feel funny to you. You don't understand. You don't say it's true, Sha. You don't collect. Yeah, just so you know, I graduated from the prestigious University of Benin, Department of Political Science, Public Administration. Now, come clap now. Yeah, I graduated with almost first class. Yeah. No, I for make first class, just that I gave up on first class after my first class. You know, you're the Yeah, in 300 level contemporary political analysis, the lecturer gave me a D. I not complain. I looked for the lecturer daughter. I toast the girl. She grieved for me. I gave her the D your father gave to me. Where from for family? Where from family? Over there, yeah, the mother just tight like saying a women convention. Wow, yeah, pharmacy students are here, university students are here. They came to, celebrate Form Fu for this giant stride that it took. Mona clap now, yeah. Pharmacy students, yeah, they? Yeah. Mona not they do expo, I beg you. Our life are in your hands. Bro, how you go fake chemistry for why you go to do organic cream? Yeah. Almost everybody when they are nice, either a friend or a family member to Form Fu, because friends and family, they are like a good circle. They offer you protection when things go hard. Don't worry, those ones when you're that side dark now, so they know they no book. They know they laugh. Free ticket and noise. Now so they be 5 and 5. Joke not for you work for them because they don't get work. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a what? This is a what? This is a what? Before you use the tie, what do? You do what? Go, not be nod. Now, do you know that if you know how to knot a tie, it means you cannot. And if you don't know how to knot a tie, it also means you cannot. Una can clap. That one, I just dey talk now, the book spot, it go cut. Now, talking about protection, last week Sunday, my church will not do service. Pastor, they come church. He carry prayer leader for front seat. Pastor wife, day back. Prayer leader no gree use seat belt. Pastor, they tell him, protect yourself. Mama reply for back, Daddy, don't mind him. He doesn't always like using protection. If you get it, if you don't get it, yeah, that one, you smile for a shower joke. For your mama might now, you don't stop to the suck breast. That laugh now for that joke. Bro, I'm talking about church, eh? Church is a very nice place. I'm the prophetic, so I do a lot of gospel jokes. You know, but you know that as a guy, nothing pain pass say you drip, go church, your crush not come. You'll be like, shit, I waste cloth. That day, everything where pastor they talk now rubbish. And you can't sit down for church, as you did church, now sit down for church, you can't deal with one fine girl, you dey try package for the girl. Your mama can't give your younger sister offering, can't give you. Now you're going to say, baby, actually, I don't have cash. That one good now. You don't ever follow your mama go party. See, not follow your mama and your younger sister go party. Oh. You can't deal with babe. And you know, as a guy, you follow your mama and your sister go party. You know, stay canopy when they day. You can't go there another canopy, and they can like backseat. You don't date there now, they try package with the girl normally. Your mama can't give your sister food, can't give you. The idiot go just come. Brother, mommy say, I'll give you this takeaway. If you like, chop her for a year now, you're evening food though. Bro, make grand just open, swallow you. But if you be get here, boy ask you out for the first time, you carry your friend go for security reasons. Ogun go kill you. Oh, they don't really do that one. Now, talking about family, growing up was fun. For those of us who grew up with our parents, growing up was fun. For those of you who grew up with your mother, you must notice one thing, say, if African mother won't give you instruction, they know they tell you the thing direct. Your mom will just call you, Chris Abel, I dey go market too. You see plate in the kitchen, no wash am. And if God won't punish you, you can't really go play. You no wash am. You go play. As you dey come back house, that kind after 7 to 8, as you rush enter kitchen, you go wash the plate. Your mama do the wash am. Your mind no go touch ground. And you know say, now that day your mom will come cook your favorite food. She'll come to tell you, come and eat. You go to say, Mommy, no, I'm not hungry. As rats run past, you wake up around 2, she'll come wake you. Follow roof. Yes, yeah. Master's degree students, they crack joke, they shake. No, voila. That one, they carry money with dada, they go around. I'll call EFCC for you. Now, I want to beg the girls here. Will they see this thing when they trend, what I order versus what I got? And most times, will they blame the clothes vendor? This is not body shaming. But let's be realistic. How you go see clothes for dummy when you get nyash? You know your condition. When they post the cloth, dummy, there was something to write home about. You know that your history, nothing. You go buy the cloth. Now you go to complain, say what I order versus what I got. For example, if this kind girl now wear bomb shots, this girl now, stand up, let us see you. Stand up, my daughter. Okay. Now, so you get principles, now you know by table. Killer. If this kind girl now, Fima, wear bomb shots, bro, now that you do. You like this there? Oswald. And your mama, they pray for village, my son will not die. You they tell her, kill me. Fool. If this guy get wear bomb shots, you don't say the thing will make sense. Because something there to shoot. You know. If you wear bomb shot, wallahi, you'll be like primary school girl we wear sports wear. The thing will just say, don't go. You know what I'm saying? Imagine this kind of girl now wear waist bead. On to say hip, they hypocrite. The thing goes, stay. You understand? Then you. With this your waist. If you wear waist bead, you the waist bead. And listen to good night.